Hello, I'm Andrew Cannon, Content Creation and Development Manager at the NWC, and this is NWC Connect, where we connect with you, our valued customers, to facilitate the flow of valuable information. In today's episode, we're focusing on conservation because no one wants hard-earned cash to go down the drain, which might be the result if water is wasted. Now, here are some basic ways to save water. Fix leaks. Did you know that a leak of merely 1 drop per second wastes 2,400 gallons per year? Now that's a lot of water. You can also invest in water-saving devices. These can reduce water usage and they include flow regulators. Reuse water is another option. Used water from the kitchen sink, for example, is suitable for other purposes. Now let's turn to 2 sections of your home that are prone to have leaks: the bathroom and the kitchen. Regarding the bathroom, check your toilets for leaks. Check the rubber bung, also called the plunger ball, in your toilet tank, as over time it will wear due to age. A leaky toilet can waste as much as 757 liters of water per day. Here's something to remember: do not flush unnecessarily. Each time you do, it wastes water. Also, limit the time the shower is on to the time it takes to wet your body and to wash off the soap. This will cut out the flow of water to about 3 gallons. Now let's go to the kitchen. A dripping faucet can waste up to 7,600 liters or 2,000 gallons of water per year. Wipe away gravy, grease, and food scraps from plates and bowls before washing. You're strongly advised to be a leak detective, as high water readings and high water bills could result from your yard piping or plumbing fixtures. So play your part and be water smart. Your pocket may thank you for it. Thanks for joining us for NWC Connect. Remember to stay connected by visiting our website at nwcjamaica.com and follow us on social media at NWCJam. Take care.